Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MYOB. First, ensure you have selected the correct MYOB product for your business needs and completed the installation process. Once installed, launch the application and begin by creating a new company file. You will then be prompted to choose your industry type, which helps tailor the chart of accounts. Finally, accurately input your essential business details, such as your company name and physical address, to personalize your setup. Next, you'll configure your financial year settings, specifying both the start and end dates for your accounting period. This is crucial for accurate reporting. Then, proceed to set up your tax codes, ensuring they reflect current rates like a 10% GST or other applicable VAT percentages. Finally, integrate your banking information by adding all relevant bank accounts and credit card details, which streamlines transaction recording. Now, it's time to customize your chart of accounts. Carefully review the default accounts MYOB provides, as they are a good starting point. You can then add new accounts or modify existing ones to perfectly match your business operations and reporting requirements. Remember to link specific accounts for modules like payroll, inventory, and sales to ensure seamless data flow across your entire system. To finalize your MYOB setup, accurately enter the opening balances for all your accounts, ensuring your financial records are correct from day one. Next, establish user access and security permissions, granting appropriate levels of access to your team members. This protects your sensitive financial data. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your workspace. You're now ready to start managing your business finances efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.